Hey everyone, this is Tova from Mama in the Now. I am here today to talk to you about this new baby carrier that I just got in the mail. I'm super excited about it, and I'm going to be writing about it on the blog. And once I do, you're going to have a chance to win your own. It's brand new to the country. So I'm really excited for it, and I just wanted to show you some of my favorite features for when you enter to win your own giveaway. So hopefully when you win it, you know what to do with it. I was going to use Jonah today as my test subject, but he's a cranky toddler, and since this is Facebook Live, I just don't have the guts to try to get a toddler in a carrier live on Facebook. I'm not that brave. So anyway, we'll try to just use a stand-in for Jonah, and you'll see who that is, and you'll agree it's a much better stand-in. So what I have today is the Baby Bjorn 1 Outdoors. It comes in a super duper awesome carrier bag, because when you're on the go, you have your carrier, you know, the straps are everywhere, you look horrible trying to keep track of everything. So this is a handy dandy bag that it comes in, the Outdoors 1. So I'm going to open it up, and I am going to live on Facebook Live try to put this on without looking like a complete dork, which whenever I put a carrier on, I always look like I'm fighting an anaconda or something. So that's why I'm a little bit nervous, but we'll see how it goes. Anyway, I have no pride. So let's see here. This is the carrier. It's made of lightweight material, and it's really awesome because it's got some reflective strips, but it's also really cool if you spill on it or spit up, which you know will happen. You can easily just wipe it off, wipe it clean, and it's very lightweight, which is awesome for here in South Florida. I don't know where you are, but at least we're here in South Florida, so we'll be able to stay nice and cool with it. And Baby Bjorn, with this Outdoors 1, teamed up with the National Park Trust in an effort to tell you that even though you have little kids, you don't have to sit at home. You don't have to say, oh, woe is me, I have a little kid, I can't get out. No, with this carrier, you can get out, you can hike, you can see nature, you can have fun. So that's what they want you to do this summer, and I want you to do it because there's nothing worse than sitting inside being bored. So let's get to it. This is an awesome carrier. It's always intimidating when you first pull a carrier out and you're like, whoa, how am I gonna get this on? It looks like a straitjacket. So one of the awesome features for Baby Bjorn is this is ergonomically correct, healthy, very hip healthy carrier. It goes from newborn all the way up to age 3, and Jonah, who would have been my test subject, is 2, so he fits. Goes up to 33 pounds. He's about 28, give or take, whether he's eating that day or not. But it has this really neat zippered seat, so you can it has it can have a small seat here for the little ones. If you have it forward facing, they recommend not to start forward facing until 5 months old. So when the baby can hold its neck and head up, because you don't want that whole bobble thing going on that always looks pretty scary. But it does have a very wide seat. I love a wide seat. At least in my carrier. Not for me, but that's a different thing. So anyway, this carrier fits like you put on a sweater. So let me try this and not look completely horrible. There we go. See, managed that. Totally don't look like a dork, right? I did that pretty well. So anyway, I'll back up a little bit here so you can see the carrier. Let me just push the camera back a little bit so you can see me. Ta-da! There we go. There's my head. All right, so here's the carrier, and it straps on like most soft-sided carriers in the back with a little clip. And let's see if I can get it. You'll hear, I'll feel a little snap once it goes on. There we go. Hold on one second because I have it backwards. All right, so we get the carrier on, got that going for us. It has a handy pouch, which I love because when I baby wear, I don't bring a big diaper bag. I'm not a diaper bag kind of gal. So I just bring my keys, my phone, a credit card. So it has a little pouch right here for that. Really awesome. So anyway, this is your carrier. It's flopping right here. You have it on, and now you're getting ready to put your baby in. And like I said, I would use Jonah, but he's not cooperating today. So instead, I have a stand-in. Mickey. He joined us today. He just left the clubhouse to come here. So I like to do inward facing. I don't know why, but that's just what I do even when they're older. So once you have it on, you take this handy dandy safety strap, and it's really thick, very sturdy, and you feel safe when you buckle it in. You hear it click, and it's very simple. There's nothing you have to do. You just have to sort of slide it on, and you hear it click. So now you have it on. And then you take these shoulder straps and you slide them onto their little doodad up here. Hear it click, you know it's safe. Pretty cool. You hear it here, you hear it click, and you're safe. So now you have, this is a toddler because he's that big. And you have him in your carrier. This carrier also comes with cool little baby toy straps here. So when you're backwards carrying, you can have like a teething toy or something fun, or a water bottle because you're out hiking and exercising. So this right here is your carrier. It's super lightweight. You'll be able to see a little bit better. Down here, baby is sitting in his wide seat. It's really cool. His wide seat with his legs spread apart, very hip healthy. It's very comfortable for me. Of course, Mickey doesn't weigh as much as Jonah does, but still, it's comfortable. This is my favorite feature. So if I had a drum roll or a drum right here, I would give you a little drum roll. But my favorite feature is swinging it from the front to the back. I've tried it a few times with Jonah. I didn't dump him on his head. We haven't had to call 911, so I know it works. Mickey is going to be a little bit more lightweight, a little easier to do it with, but I want to show you, sorry Mickey, how easy it is to do when you have them forward facing, swing them around the back, because that's something I do a lot with a toddler. So you have your right arm, you stick that over the strap, and still you always hang on to your kid, because that's sort of what you do if you're a good parent. If you're not, don't worry, kid's not going to fall out. So, okay, so now you still have them sort of an arm around it. The other arm you take under the strap. So let me do that. All right, under the strap. So now the whole strap is sort of like a circle around your neck, right? And if I let go, kid's still not going to fall on his head. That's a super cool feature. Now you take it and you spin it around. This can get a little tricky. Don't do it in a store parking lot. People look at you really weird. Trust me. Okay, so here is where you swing your arm around, grab your toddler before he falls on his head, which you still won't do because he's nice and secure in the Baby Bjorn 1 outdoors. And now you have him on your back, and you can just slide your arm right back in to the straps where they belong, and you're good to go. Ta-da! Look at that. Mickey is so happy in his wide seat on his back. He can have his teething toys or whatever else he wants to play with, and we're good to go. So because of this awesome carrier, like I said, I'm going to write about it tonight. It'll probably be live tonight or tomorrow. I'll start a giveaway. So you can win your own Baby Bjorn 1 outdoors. And it sells for about $250. So that's going to be a super awesome giveaway. And even if you don't baby wear, you could always enter, and hopefully, you'll know somebody who's pregnant, because if you're like me, everybody's getting pregnant around me. So anyway, I hope you like this. I hope you think this is as awesome as I do. It's a soft-sided carrier, but it's very comfortable. It's very sporty. And with Baby Bjorn's collaboration with the National Park Trust, they're urging families to get out there. Get your kids out in the parks. Get your kids out there and experience nature. Even here in South Florida, where everything's hot and palm trees, we do have parks. We do have nature. We have, alligators and whatever else wildlife. We can get out there, go fishing, go hiking, have fun. There's nothing that should keep you from getting out there other than this heat, but we'll talk about that later. But anyway, this is the Baby Bjorn 1 outdoors. I'm super excited for it. Mickey and I are going to get out and go for a little walk. Maybe I'll even bring Jonah with me, because I'm that nice. I'm that kind of mom. So I really appreciate you joining me here today, and I'm excited for the giveaway that I'll be doing. So what's today? Today is Thursday, so probably by tomorrow I'll have it live on the blog. So keep watching, and I really appreciate your comments, so feel free to shoot me any comments later on with any questions you might have, because this carrier is going to be my new favorite. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.